On the screen here, I've got my instance of Purview. I'm going to go browse my assets and just want to show you by source type. There's some custom source types I've created. I've got these four in here where I've got a input, right, an output and a process. So on my lineage diagram, I can see input and output and a simple process. And these are created programmatically. So we've got this sample code here. I've just renamed the inputs and outputs we saw just with a D3 on the suffix, so input 01 D3, output 01 D3, and then I'll put D3 into the sample process. Really, to create the lineage manually, all you need to do is create this new process type, which is the key part here, between your inputs and outputs. So those inputs and outputs that already exist, you could, if you had a reference to them, Atlas entity reference to them already, just getting those and then creating a new, uploading a new process. So I'm going to just run that and should create those entities for us. Okay, excellent, got the right JSON out of that. If I just then switch back to my data catalog, I'm just going to hit refresh on this, so F5, so refresh button there is there on this window. And I've got these output 01 D3, sample process D3, input 01 D3, so I can go into my data asset, add all the metadata. So if this is your banking system, do you want to represent in here? You could do that. You could pull the metadata, you could describe it, what have you. Pull the properties. You probably can create like custom schemas as well through that programmatic entry point. And then look at Lineage and connect your data sources together. And you can see we've got those inputs, outputs, and process.